My name is John Graubics. I'm the president of Tuckaway Child Development here in Richmond, Virginia. Back in 1971, my parents actually had my brother and I in a child care center that was not Tuckaway, and my father couldn't stand the conditions, decided to open his own child care center, and we did so, and it's called Tuckaway Child Care. It was opened specifically for my brother and I, and since then we have opened up to all around the Richmond area. We've had now 6 locations. And with that, we have a lot of accounting issues that came into play, where we had all the different schools had different accounting issues, and we were spending hours driving from location every week just to get the accounting information so that we'd know where our business stood day to day. And sometimes that changed within that day of us driving around just to get that information.
They would drive around to these remote sites, collect these financial papers for the end of month, and it would just take several days to get them. They would show up there to get them, they wouldn't be ready. Sometimes the system would fail, they would lose the data, they couldn't produce the paperwork. It was making growth of their business very difficult. They were stunted by their technology.
So my father understood we needed to get the technology to get this. And so he first approached Sklar, and literally with almost an open checkbook, I need computers, let me write the check. And Sklar looked at him quickly and said, no, we're simply not going to do that. There's a lot bigger issue going on here with all the technology we're using. What do you want to use it for? How are you going to use it? And how are you going to protect all the information that you have on your computers?
There were some challenges that just replacing systems wouldn't fix. Obviously, being in child development, they were very concerned about the sensitivity of this information. After doing a thorough assessment of what was going on, we discovered that a bigger implementation of technology was required, and some additional trainings and things to teach and educate their end users on how to access this data and how to treat it.
That's a very important thing with us, because we have all these families that give us not only their children to raise and protect, but also all their valuable information, even their Social Security numbers. And in today's age, that is a very important thing to have and to protect. And Sklar has helped us tremendously to be able to have all that information, access it, but also, more importantly, to protect it so that no one else can access that except us.
With the implementation of the systems they have today, they can easily open up additional child care centers without any real difficulty at all. It's a very inexpensive investment to get going.